Imagine standing on the edge of a frozen desert, surrounded by towering glaciers and endless white. Suddenly, in the middle of this icy expanse, you see something chilling, a blood-red waterfall spilling out of a glacier. No, it's not a horror movie. It's real. It's called Blood Falls, and it's one of Antarctica's most mysterious and bizarre natural wonders. Today we're going deep into the frozen frontier to uncover the science, the myths, and the terrifying beauty behind the waterfalls of blood hidden in Antarctica. What causes this eerie red flow? What secrets lie trapped beneath miles of ice? And why are scientists so obsessed with what it reveals? Let's begin the journey. Blood Falls was first discovered in 1911 by Australian geologist Griffith Taylor, who noticed an unusual reddish stain seeping out of the Taylor Glacier in East Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys. At the time, no one knew what caused this strange coloration. Some believed it was red algae, others thought it might be volcanic in origin. But whatever it was, it didn't belong in this frozen wasteland. This crimson flow looked like something out of a nightmare, a river of blood oozing from the heart of the ice. For decades, the mystery remained unsolved. Fast forward to modern science, and the truth behind Blood Falls is even more fascinating and eerie than anyone imagined. It turns out that this waterfall isn't made of blood at all. The red color comes from iron-rich water that has been trapped beneath the glacier for over 2 million years. This ancient subglacial lake, isolated from the surface for millennia, contains no sunlight, no oxygen, and no fresh water. As the iron in the water comes into contact with air at the surface, it oxidizes, just like a rusty nail, and turns blood red. That rust-colored stream flows out of the glacier, painting the snow and ice like a wound on the earth. But here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. In that oxygen-deprived, pitch-black brine beneath the glacier, life exists. Yes, scientists discovered microbial life thriving in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. These microbes have evolved to survive without sunlight or oxygen, using sulfur and iron as energy sources. This discovery shocked researchers. It proved that life can adapt to conditions we once thought impossible. And more importantly, it opened up new possibilities for life beyond Earth. Could similar microbes exist on Mars, where iron-rich soil and frozen water are common? Could icy moons like Europa or Enceladus harbor alien ecosystems beneath their frozen crusts? Blood Falls might not just be a curiosity, it could be a blueprint for life in the cosmos. Studying Blood Falls isn't easy. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are one of the harshest environments on Earth. Temperatures can plummet below -50 degrees Celsius, and high winds create a barren, alien-like terrain. The valleys are so dry and cold, they're often used as analogs for Mars by NASA researchers. To drill beneath the glacier and reach the hidden lake, scientists use sterile hot water drills to prevent contamination of the pristine environment. Samples collected from beneath the ice must be analyzed quickly before the ancient microbes are exposed to oxygen and die. And every time they dig deeper, they discover more questions than answers. Blood Falls doesn't just tell us about life and science, it tells us about Earth's ancient past. The water that flows from the glacier hasn't seen the surface in over 2 million years. That means it carries secrets from a time when humans didn't even exist. By analyzing the water's composition, salinity, and microbial content, scientists gain insight into ancient climate patterns, the evolution of life, and how ecosystems can survive in total isolation. It's like nature preserved a time capsule beneath the ice, and now slowly it's leaking out. Of course, something as strange and ominous as Blood Falls hasn't escaped myth and speculation. Some have called it a gateway to hell, or a natural omen in the most desolate part of the planet. Others see it as symbolic, a reminder that even in the coldest, most lifeless places, life finds a way. The visual impact of the waterfall is unforgettable. It challenges our understanding of beauty, nature, and survival. And it proves that our planet still holds secrets capable of stunning even the most seasoned scientists. So what does Blood Falls teach us? It teaches us that the Earth is still full of mystery. That life is more resilient and more bizarre than we ever imagined. And that sometimes, the most alien landscapes are right here on our own planet. From the depths of a frozen wasteland flows a river of ancient, iron-rich water, not of blood, but of life, time, and wonder. If this eerie, incredible story fascinated you, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure into Earth's wildest secrets. Thanks for watching, and remember, the truth beneath the surface is always stranger than fiction.